Hi, I'm Rebecca Powers with Sterling-Lancaster Community Television here at Animal Shelter Inc. in Sterling with Melissa Snitzer, the shelter manager, and she is going to tell us about some fundraisers that are coming up. This is Essex. She's a female shepherd mix and she's about 11 weeks old. She loves to play with toys and likes to be with other dogs. She would probably do best in a home with a dog friend. She is super friendly though and very sweet. And we noticed that she has quite the cute little howl. This is Peppo. He's a male Boston Terrier mix, and he's about a year old. He is full grown and has a lot of energy. He loves to play with toys. He's very friendly, but he will need a home where he can get a lot of exercise. This is Ginger. She's a female lab mix and she is about 10 months old. She is definitely a little bit shy, but very sweet. She will probably put on about maybe 15 pounds. So she's almost full grown right now. And she might like another dog in the home for company. This is Gina. She's a female terrier mix and she's about 3 months old. She is very energetic. She loves to play and she will probably be medium size, full grown. She's also very curious and loves to check everything out. This is Lila. She's a female lab mix, about 4 months old. She's very friendly, very active, loves to play with the toys, and will probably be a large sized dog, 60 pounds or more when she is full grown.
Melissa, what upcoming fundraisers do you have?
We have a couple of things going on right now and within the next couple of days and months. So we have normally every year at the shelter we do Santa photos, but this year we are not doing them. We will pick that up again next year, just for all of you who love our Santa photos. So this year there is a store in Princeton, Massachusetts called The Right Paw, that is doing Santa photos, and a portion of the proceeds are going to come to our shelter. So if you are interested in doing Santa photos with your pet, that's going to be on November 18th from 10 to 4 p.m. And they're doing $25 for one photo that you get right there on site. And you may be able to order additional photos afterwards. And then our shelter is also participating in the Subaru Share the Love program this year. So Patrick Subaru in Shrewsbury is the dealership that we have partnered up with. And not only do they have a big bin at the dealership where you can put donations that will come back to the shelter, but if you buy a car, you can choose a charity for $250 to go to. And our shelter is on that list of charities. So we are excited to be participating in that. And then this year, again, we are going to be doing our ornament fundraiser. We do this every year for the past couple of years, where you can go online on our website at sterlingshelter.org and make a donation, and then we create a Christmas ornament that will go on our fence. We kind of decorate an area at the shelter, and then afterwards you can come and pick up your ornament if you would like to bring it home with you. And the ornament fundraiser is all denominations, so if you want, or all amounts. So if you want to donate $5, if you want to donate $100, there are all different levels for you to participate in that.